up, guys? This is Jack from Atlantis Water Gardens. My hat's frozen because it's only -22 with a frost chill of -50 out here. I don't know what I'm saying, it's too cold.
We are in Chicago at Aqualand, the home base of Aquascape, and it is -60 with the wind chill right now. I'm gonna take you inside this cave right here behind the waterfall, which is right here. We'll check that real fast because we have to get back inside, right, Paul?
Yes, sir.
It's freezing.
Dude, it's like so moist. Look at that. Look at my feet right through. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
The waterfall actually froze in place. That's got to be what? 2 feet thick?
I mean, look at that.
There's something really wrong with you.
Got my icicle and I got my electrical scooter. I'm out. Hi, Greg.
This place is amazing. There's so much cool stuff going on here, but I want to show you their indoor retail store where there is probably about a dozen water features, and they're actually working on building some new ones right now. Walk in the front door of this place, this is the first thing you see is this beautiful pondless waterfall. Disappears under the bridge. Greg loves turtles. This is a really cool pond because it's got this really beautiful weathered Missouri limestone boulders. You can see there's a wetland filter up there. That's what keeps this water nice and clean. Look at all those beautiful fish in there. Check out this front counter. Cool stonework in there. Joanne and I were able to take so many ideas from this place in creating our own store. I wish we had so much indoor space like they have because it's really cool. I mean, it's -60 right now outside here in Chicago. In here, it's like 75, beautiful. And there's water features everywhere. Let's keep on going.
This is Sven, Spillbable Sven. He's so dumb. He's so dumb. What's up, guys? It's Chris with Team Aquascape. We're working on the retail store spillway bowl sphere collection over here. We're giving it a facelift here in the wintertime while it's -58.5 degrees outside. What we've got going on is we're going to have a collection of 3 spillway bowls off to my right and 3 spheres off to my left. The 3 spillway bowls are going to be one spilling into another, and then that having a nice tall drop, and then one showcasing down kind of at ground level the disappearing waterfalls. The spheres are going to be kind of this organic design, I guess, showing the different sizes and how we can really showcase them in the landscape as a really neat fountainscape collection or as a standalone feature.
Well, look at here, guys. This right here behind me is an Aquascape ecosystem pond kit. You could have this in your own backyard with just a slight hand of Jack. Great man, great man. Atlantis Water Gardens.
Paul's been here a bunch of times, right, Paul?
Yes, sir.
But I love that they're constantly changing everything here.
Always, yeah.
Let's go find Greg, because I know he mentioned something about a zoo he was building here.
Yes, that's in the back.
All right.
Insane.
Let's go check that out.
Hilarious.
Hey, Greg, tell us all about your zoo.
Well, it's really funny that you're actually coming here because literally this is my afternoon thing. I come down here, check out my tanks. All of these tanks were made by Heiko Blair. Heiko Blair is the world's foremost freshwater fish authority. 74-year-old German guy that travels the world. I'm going in 2 weeks with him to the Amazon to find new fish. These are all different tanks that are biotope specific, so they're made by different regions. This is the Tuda River in India. This is the Amazon River in Peru. So it's kind of like the same philosophy we have for ponds, for aquariums. It's natural biotopes that same kind of substrate, same kind of fish, same kind of plants. So this is just a fun part of my hobby, right? So I mean, we have a retail store right here where we're actually redoing some work right now on here. Then I have all sorts of cool stuff back here. So I got all of these tanks. Dwight Howard Superman from the Houston Rockets, when he played for that, he had this tank that was built. That literally scared me. What the heck? I got an Asian water monitor. This used to be in his living room. When he got traded, he left it, and I got a call from the realtor. And look, there's an Asian water monitor. I mean, how cool is that thing? That's the largest monitor next to a Komodo dragon. But he lives in here, and I've got rescue turtle pond over here. My wife calls me a turtle hoarder, but the reality is that this is what started this entire business. So this guy is 54 years old. He's got a little bit of a deformed shell, but the reason I know he's 54 is for 40 years he was in a teacher's classroom, and then for the last 14 years she lived in her bathtub. And so I just picked him up this summer, and we said, hey, this winter you can take a bath again after 14 years. So all of this space is just an area that people, just to inspire the hobbyists. And then of course the piece de resistance of all of Aqualand, our mascot. But I picked up Woody in June of this year from Missouri. He's a 75-year-old, 75-pound snapping turtle, alligator snapping turtle. He was rescued from the turtle soup business. A guy from Loggerhead Acres, buddy of mine, that's in Missouri, went down to from the Ozarks and went down there and ended up picking him up and saving him from the turtle soup business. He paid $2 a pound when the turtle going rate in 2003 was $1 a pound. So he doubled it up. Little things like this, and then we have 2 Welsh Harlequin ducks that live in my backyard. And because it is 25 below zero outside, we moved them inside, but they are originally from Siberia. So this is just a little Aqualand zoo. It gets back to my hobbyist roots. And this entire area, I have big plans in the future, but you got to stay tuned for that.
So we are out here just having some fun, touring around Aqualand because it's extremely cold out. Got together with Greg and Paul today, had a good time. And we are going back to New Jersey where
if you can get a flight out.
I'm actually trapped. I'm trapped here tonight.
Yes,
so
you
Paul
are.
and I are gonna have some fun tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Volleyball.
Play some volleyball.
Let's show you that right now.
Ready? Starting right here, going all the way around. Whoever gets right here net first wins. There's everything. This pushing, this shoving, is everything.
Oh, look at me go.
I am on you so hard, dude.
Whoa, that flat tire is so flat. Oh!
I literally
You got me.
back the last second.
You were pedaling hard. I heard
Oh
you
yeah.
behind me.
I was.
Yo, but my tire is so flat. So of course, Aqualand is known for water features, right? But honestly, what this place is a workplace utopia. Greg has spent so much time and effort creating something so special where people come here to work and they enjoy being here every single day. Whether it's the scooters or the volleyball court, soccer, the teammate lounge that he spent so much time on creating. Really an amazing place. If you are in the Chicago area and you are looking for a job, this is one place you want to put in your list because it's, yeah, Paul said it best.
It's like working at Google.
Yeah, it's probably pretty close to working at Google, I guess.
Be better than Google.
You might be right. Got cool water features. But I'm about to school Paul in a game of ping pong.
I beat you in scootering.
You did.
I beat you in darts. I mean, do you really think you're gonna win?
You did beat me at darts.
Yep.
Oh, you win.
I win.
That's it. Paulie wins this one.
I've never played darts before.
Oh, stop it. Ping pong, I gotta own this. I mean,
You're pretty good at ping pong.
have you ever played ping pong before?
Oh yeah.
I think I'm in trouble.
Comment down below who you think is gonna win. Comment down below. Let's see. Let's see what they got.
I can tell you who's probably gonna win.
Right now it is 11:20. Game point. I'm on board. Jack, think you got this?
It's not looking good, I'll be honest.
This is like a day at Aqualand. Go! I love you, Jackers. What do you call them?
Paul wins again, obviously. We have had such a good time here. If you have not been introduced to Paul Cuffaro yet?
Hello.
You're missing out. This kid is about to hit 1 million subscribers.
Pretty crazy.
If you're here and you know who Paul is, get over to his channel. I'm going to link it below. This
Make sure to
kid,
subscribe to Jack's channel as well.
that'd be fantastic if you subscribe.
Come on, Jackers, hit that subscribe button.
Is that what we're going with?
I think we're just gonna call
it's
them the
Jackers. I don't know. What do you guys think? Jack? I don't know, Paul.
Tell
I
'em,
think
tell
you're pretty savvy. I don't know if that's gonna stick.
Tell
really.
them, say, comment in the phone call. You might want to get this on video. I'm jumping off the balcony.
Oh no.
Just kidding. Mom? 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 What? Mom? Dude, I actually ate it, dude. I went straight into that pole.
I think
Can you
it's
get it
time-
on video?
I think it's time for bed, bro.
I think so too.
I have had so much fun with this young man. I think he's keeping me kind of young because
Oh, of course.
the things he does. We just built an awesome 10-minute pond. Link in the description
That'll be on
below.
the channel.
Go check that out because we had a blast doing that.
Built a patio pond in literally 10 minutes. To be exact, probably about 15, but we could have done it in 10 minutes with all the supplies in
Yes.
front of us. Right
Go
there.
check it out because it was a really cool build. Hopefully you like what we're doing over here. We are just trying to have some fun on this channel because we build water features. What else are we supposed to be doing? It's supposed to be fun,
It's
right?
always about the fun. Hey, and if you came from my channel, because I did tell a lot of people to come over here, subscribe to yours, be sure, do the man a favor, do me a favor, subscribe to Jack. It's right down there below that subscribe button. It's free. Just hit it. He's about to hit, what, your next goal is like 15K.
My next goal is 15K.
I approve you. I promise you, you're going to hit that goal.
Thank you, sir. I
from the
appreciate
video that
all
we
the
made.
support I get from this young man right here. It
course.
really, really means a lot to me. Guys, hit that subscribe button. Like Paul said, drop me a like, leave a comment, tell me what you think about what Paul and I did today on this episode, and we will see you on the next one. Paul, give me the outro.
Peace.